So, Dale, I would tell you that Dennis is our criminal defense attorney. Dennis, I know you know tons about trust, right?
Dale, I'm sorry. I know nothing at all about trust. When I became a criminal defense lawyer, I really focused just on criminal law.
So when I invite our listeners to call and talk to Dennis, we need to qualify that and say we need questions that make Dennis look very smart, and that needs to be criminal defense questions, folks. So again, Dennis Salvagio is our guest today. We're honoring his long 42-year career here in Orlando as a lawyer, and the fact that he's retiring, and we want to say congratulations to that. Now, Dennis, over your 42 years, did you have reoccurring clients? Did you have one client that you defended multiple times?
Oh, well, I've had several clients that I've represented a number of times. We always talk to our clients about the problems that got them to where they were in a courtroom, drinking and drugs. We always try to help them with that. But, yeah, there are clients that I have, and I still have, that have been with me for a long time. And the cases for them get harder and harder, of course, because they have prior criminal records or they've been before the courts before. So, yes. But they've become my friends, and I know them well.
Well, you told me about one trial that you did. It was a man who was, I think, charged with DUI, and he showed up in court for his trial or hearing or something, and he's actually drunk.
Yeah. There was two. I was asked to try a case for another attorney who didn't try criminal cases at one time. And I always tell my clients, show up in a suit, coat, and tie, back and forth, forever and ever. And this guy showed up in a T-shirt that says Joe's Barroom. And I remember as the jury left, I would position myself so that they could not see the back of his shirt.
Okay.
That was one, yeah. And there's been several others where a fellow, actually, I had a motion to suppress the stop in the case, which means that if it were granted, the case would have been dismissed. And the young man showed up drunk. I put him in the back pew. I won, so I got his case dismissed, and then I really gave him some hell when that was all over.
Well, hopefully he listened. Hey, folks, my guest today is attorney Dennis Salvagio. He has been a criminal defense attorney right here in Orlando for 42 years. He's also known as a fat guy, a big supporter of the Orlando Magic. We're kind of focusing the show on him today. If you have any personal or legal questions for Dennis Salvagio, you are welcome to call us here in the studio.